over here on the old Major. It's got an old seat, like was on a 8N Ford or something, and it's awful bouncy and awful hard, and this hydraulic lever, whatever it does, hits it and don't go all the way around, and I don't know what it does yet. So yeah, I'll change the seat, put that other one on. I'll have room for this thing and figure out what it does. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do here after a while. Got a guy coming to get some parts here pretty soon, so between this and that, I'll keep busy today. Alright, when I get done, I'll show you what I accomplished. Look there, I didn't put my camera thing away. I better get that. Well, good morning. I'm going to try to do some improvements on that old Fordson Major. Here's this brand new old seat frame. Looks like it's been around here for about 11 years. Oiled it up, everything works good. And I was thinking, that old way out there, that big green blue thing, had the same kind of seat on it, but it's welded fast. Here I got the backrest off. Need a little tape in a couple spots. But other than that, it's pretty decent. So I'll show you what else we're going to do here in a minute. Yeah, there's the seat bottom up there. I got to get off that one. I took the backrest off with a 1/2 inch end wrench. It wore a little bit and it fit, but I had to go find a metric socket to get the seat bottom off, which I'll get that in a minute. So I'll get that off, and then, well, I got it done. Took that old steel seat, Ford seat, off the Fordson Major, and put that cheapy upholstered spring-loaded seat. Look there, I even got it reupholstered with Gorilla tape. Now it looks just like all them other tractors they have down there at the auction. Them cheap cushions all taped up. But it fits, and it works, and I got all back together. Somehow or another, I dropped one bolt. It's down here someplace. Well, I guess it'll, there it is. Alright, I'm not quite done yet. Gotta go back out the barn and get that 13mm and put that screw in. Then we'll be ready to go. Alright, that's enough for now. It's dinner time.